So this right here is a M formation. It makes a M. What is up, everyone? It's your girl Zanaya back in the cut with another video. As you guys can tell, I literally just woke up. I want to bring you guys along with me. Today's Saturday, so we do have to analyze our market and our previous trades. But before any of that, I do want to get dressed. I have to stop by the store and go grocery shopping. So I'm about to get dressed. We're gonna go downstairs, see what we need from out the fridge, and then we'll come home, analyze the market together. Me and my mom might go out to the movies to watch Scream 7. We've been watching Scream since I was literally a little kid, and now since they have Scream 7, I'm actually kind of excited. Time to change the music in here. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type to talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me. Okay, so before we go to the store, I like to see what I need from the refrigerator and the freezer before we go. Okay, so we're gonna need some eggs, we're gonna need some meats, some drinks, and I'm gonna try to pick up some clean foods if they have it, but things that I can put in the oven and heat up really fast as well. I do kind of want to get new protein shakes because this one I really do not like, I'm not gonna lie. So we're just gonna check, but just got out of the hobby, so now we're on our way inside of food.
Oh, we need what's the line over there? She's got it over there. Guess what to call it? Thank you.
Okay, so that was a very good grocery run. I spent way too much than I should have. I did want to share with you guys because I did tell you guys that I was going to do a yoga this weekend, but it was sold out when I went on. I should have did it way earlier. That's my fault. There's another event, so hear me out. This one is about an hour away. It starts at 8 p.m. at nighttime, but it's all about fashion and just kind of like a speakeasy fashion event. And I'm starting to, well, I was always really into fashion, I'm not gonna lie. So I had like 1,000, when I was younger, I had 1,000 things that I wanted to be when I was older. And one of them was a fashion designer, and I like dressing up. So I was thinking about going there. I still have all month to decide what I want to do, but I feel like this will be a fun event. It's an hour away. I just want to share that with you really fast. And I do also want to share with you the outfit I want to wear if I do go. So I bought these pants from Shein. They're actually so cute. I kind of wanted the low top. Actually, I bought the high top, but this would do. Only thing that's holding me back, it's how late it is. I don't really do that late stuff. So yeah, I'm about to bring you guys over to the computer so we can try, oh my gosh, so we can look at this trading plan really fast. So over to the computer, I had to redo the chart and the psychological levels on my computer because I couldn't sign into my original setup in my chart. I'm actually in a trade right now. I don't plan on ever teaching anyone anything except for on here because I'm not a teacher and I'm not really good at all that stuff, but I do want to teach you guys for my beginners some candlestick patterns. This is going to be a quick review, few things that you can see in the market to help your trading, help you have better entries and to get in better. So here's one thing that you might not know. If anyone knows what this is, comment below. And don't cheat. Okay, so this right here is a M formation. It makes a M. I want to show you guys in the draw. And this thing over here is actually very beneficial. These are tools you can use, and you can use text, long, there's a lot of stuff. Long position, you can use text, Fibonacci retracement. I use the rectangle a lot. If I see any consolidation, I'll just mark that up. But right now we're going to be using the brush. So this is a M formation. It goes up, down, up, and then once you see a double top, you know price is going to reverse down still. It can either hit this neckline or it can hit the bottom. Oop, what did I just do? It can hit the bottom of the M. As you see, price went up, couldn't break this psychological level. That was a quick little review. That's the M formation. Literally, when you see an M, price goes up, goes down, and a price, it doesn't always have to be perfect. Price can go up and literally stop right here. I'm not the best at explaining things. That's why I'm not a teacher. But hopefully you guys can pick up what I am trying to say. To know that price is reversing, if you are a beginner, obviously you see ups and downs. What is this? This is a down. Price is going down. You see price going up. You see price going back down. But when price goes down, it's not lower than this low. That means price made a higher low. Price retest on the 5,140 level again makes a higher low. It did not break this low. That's how you know price is starting to pick up and starting to go up. That does not mean right now price is reversing. But then you see price break this minor high. Once you see, for me, price break this, I have major and minor highs, so I will consider this a minor high. Some people don't have that, but I consider this a minor high because even though price could break this, that does not mean price is reversing. Price can still go down. However, if price breaks this level, this high, and it retests off of this and make a lower high, that is how you know price actually reversing. 1, price breaks the trend line. 2, price breaks a major psychological level. Price retests off that level and it makes a lower high. And price is also breaking structure by passing this level and this high. And you want to be on a higher time frame when you look at this kind of stuff. You don't want to be on a 15-minute. You probably use the 15-minute to get the most precise and really good entries. Like if you see this right here and you see prices breaking this, you probably can get in, or you can get in right here also because price has a higher high, breaks this high, and a higher low, and you can have your take profit underneath here, or even to be conservative underneath here. If you want to be very aggressive, you'll have it underneath here, and your take profit could be, I don't have the Fibonacci retracement. I usually always use that. Long position, let's say, I have to look again where I got in. 15-minute chart. If you were conservative, you would have your stop loss all the way underneath here. And this will be a 1 to 23 risk to reward ratio. You bring it all the way down here. That will be a 1 to 5. Okay, so if I didn't tell you guys yet, my sister is pregnant and she's having her gender reveal in 1 week. So next week we're gonna go over to her house and see, well, I already know, but you guys are gonna know. She's gonna know if it's a boy or a girl. So one thing I'm gonna start doing is start watching myself on TV, except for on my phone or my laptop. See myself on a big screen, because it's possible, and other people are just going to be able to see you on their TV as well. So I'm going to start watching myself on the TV. Good morning. It's the next day. The market opens actually in like 30 minutes. But before it opens, I want to go outside and do some hobbies that I bought from last week's video. I just want to plant a little bit, and then I'm going to make Sunday's dinner. There's going to be meatballs and this gravy type stuff with some spinach, and I'm going to make some baked potatoes except for mashed potatoes because it's always a hit or miss, and I just don't have time for it. I just got done making the food. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's quick and easy. This is my second time making it. You literally just need a few ingredients too. I used sun-dried tomatoes and some spinach. I didn't have heavy whipping cream, so I used some of this. And then you need ground beef, and that's basically all the stuff you need. Obviously you need a little bit of this. You can, and then some seasonings. I'm gonna put some potatoes in the oven so they can just bake for a little bit, and then I'm also gonna put this in the oven. The market is actually going down. Is not passing this 5,200 level. If price goes lower than this and passes all of this, that means price is reversing. Okay, so as of right now, price is heading down. To be honest, Forex is a waiting game. I have a box right here. Where can we put it at? Can you put it right here or right here? Maybe right here. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Price is just doing what it has to do. As you guys know, price takes a while to actually do stuff. With that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.